Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have lots of opened apps at the same time in this moment, which you don't use right now, and you want to close them all at once, what you have to do in this situation: tap on the Recents button. Here you can view all of these opened apps, and then just tap Clear All, and then all of these apps will be closed at the same time and your memory will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.